Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Blue Gamer. Today we're playing Microwave Dinner. Play game. Oh, we're landing. Blue Fort Port. Okay, here I am. This is me. And then I get... Oh, I don't know who that is. Maybe that's Fridge Bot and I'm Microwave Bot. I don't know. Let's see, roll. Ouch. Crouch. And hover. Oh, that's cool. And dive. Oh, that's cool. Let's roll up this. Oh, I missed. Oh, okay. I guess we're supposed to be getting these steaks. Oh, there's another person. Watch out! Steaks. Ouch. Oh yeah, microwaves can't go in there. Okay, so I guess we're just supposed to get these steaks. There we go. Oops. Missed it a bit. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Should be some up here. No! Okay, we gotta try and get those up there. It's the top of the castle. Have you played this game before? And also one thing I would like y'all to do, y'all don't have to do it. I'm saying it would be cool. You could play, you probably won't be in the same server as me, but you could play along on the same game while I talk. But you would still have to at least listen. Look at your screen and the TV or whatever you're watching it on. Watching Blue Gamer on. I hope you all enjoy Blue Gamer. Like, for a long time, I wanted to be a YouTuber. Oh, wait, you can now unlock the restaurant. What's that mean? Is there a restaurant? Ouch. Oh, I see it. Look over there. Whee! Get those steaks. Now we unlock. Area unlocked. Did y'all see that? That was funny. Hold on, I'll show you. Okay, yeah, we're at the restaurant. Let me get into the game. Okay, look. His name is Blob. Hello, I'm Blob, but it might have been a mistake because I think his name is Bob. Sorry, I shouldn't climb on your face. Welcome. Welcome to the restaurant. Oh, a robot? A microwave robot? You must be here for a job. Go talk to Chef Blob. He's straight back in the kitchen. Hello, Chef Blob. Hi, I'm the chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. I'll help. Great, I need food for the soup. Get some and put it in that pot. I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Good luck. Okay, let's look around. Ouch. Let's see. What's this? Ooh, use lever. Lettuce. Yes. And drop the lettuce. Wait, dive can break crates. Oh. Okay, so I guess if you dive, there we go. We're in here now. Yes, steak. Wait, why is that glowing? Hold on. Ouch. Oh, those are just a lot of steaks. Whee! Let's get this. Let's go over here. And we're gonna drop it in. Let's drop it in. Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Did you just jump in the soup? That's not a hot tub, and nobody wants to eat you. I did that on purpose. I'm gonna do it again. Oh yeah, that was so cool. Ouch. Wait, is that Minecraft? Is that Minecraft? Oh no, that's a fish. Oh no, that's King Bloop. That's King Bloop. Yeah. It's like Bloop, but he's the King Bloop. Mysterious voice activated. Mysterious voice deactivated. Your carrot. Wait, what's this? This weird. Okay, let's see. Ow. I guess we got the carrot. Oh wait, there's more boxes over there. Wait, can I push this over? No, I guess not. Bye, carrot. Oh, I bet this is where we get the fish. Yeah, I see it. Get ready. Will it jump? Do we have to go in the water to get it? Oh, it just jumped. Oh, there we go. Now we got the fish. Okay, let's go take the fish in first. Ah, my goodness. Okay. Wait. Why is it saying we didn't find the state? Wait, is it because we went in there? It didn't accept the state? Hey, I might even one day make Nintendo Switch games. Like Minecraft or Mario games. Wait, hold on. Where did the... Where is the carrot? Well, time to go get the carrot again. Last one, chef. You finished collecting everything for the soup. Go talk to Chef Blob. Oh, I thought it was Chef Blob saying that.
Wow, you got everything. Thanks. This is going to be a delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup, the restaurant's pet? Ha 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 ha, I'm just messing with you. It must have been another fish you had, right?
I don't know.
Anyway, thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You can have it.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
It's microwave dinner. It looks so good. You got a microwave dinner. I knew it. I just knew it. You got a microwave dinner. Take it to FridgeBot. Yep. It's power core where it can be used as fuel. Collect enough to upgrade FridgeBot and unlock new worlds. We'll do that later. There should be other stuff we need to do. Okay, what's your name? Is your name Bob or Blob? I still don't know. Host Blob. So it is Blob, not Bob. I think he wants it to be Bob. Let us go to see where all these steaks are. Let us go to see where all these steaks are. Perfect. Did you notice it makes an actual microwave sound? No. Like, listen. That's a real life microwave sound when it goes bang. Ouch. Where's that guy going? No! Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. Thank goodness I just saved myself by rolling. Oh, why did that not work? Because when you roll, you can go on the water safely, hover, dive, roll. No! Hotel for 200. Ouch. Hello? Ouch.
You can live inside this because you like it.
Oh, I can now unlock sewer.
Ow!
Sorry. That's Mrs. Mysterious Voice. Remember my nickname's Owen. Mrs. Mysterious Voice always calls me Owen. She likes calling me that. Mysterious Voice. Crazy Mysterious Voice. Did you know I used to, when I played Roblox, I used to have a pretend YouTube channel called Blue Gamer, and then surprisingly, this one turned out to become a Blue Gamer. Okay, so it wants us to go to the sewers. Because it said sewers unlocked. Here we go, I see the stinky cheese. Oh, there's someone here, hold on. Those rats.
Those rats. They went and hid the cheese in the sewer. They've been stealing cheese from the hotel for so long. Someone needs to stop them.
Okay, I will. Unlock. Area unlocked. Mysterious voice, when Mysterious Voice was talking, she was just telling me, that she made a house for me to live in another game. Isn't that crazy? Mysterious Voice has been here since J Rivals. No, I tried to. No. Wait, why? Oh, I remember. Because you can't do those actions with the things. Nom nom nom, nom nom nom, nom nom nom, nom nom nom, nom nom nom. Dude. No way. No way. No way, no way, no way. No way! Nom nom nom, nom nom nom, nom nom nom. After we finish this, we're wrapping it up. No! 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 You smelly cheese. Come here. You smelly cheese. You're so smelly that you knock me off. How dare you? I'll play a little song for you at the beginning of an episode that we'll probably do. Your hint is gravity, okay? That's your hint. Something like the song and something like the game we're gonna play. Gravity is your hint. Dude. Get on there. we do that? That's like literally impossible. Dude. That literally did nothing but brought me back. How do I do this? Wait, no, how? No, how? I have an idea. Wait, I didn't do it. Dude, this is insane. That guy literally... Wait. Color coded. Wait, how did I... There's not an invisible thing there. He's literally picking this up. Hold on. Wait, do I even need the cheese? Dude. Dude. There's no way you can get past. Okay, I will see you guys next time.